In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Shopify shipping policy in only 5 minutes. With these straightforward steps, you'll have everything up and running in no time, making the shopping experience seamless and transparent for your customers. First things first, you'll want to navigate to your Shopify store's homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your store's admin area. Once you're there, you'll see a navigation menu on the left-hand side of your screen. It's your gateway to configuring everything you need to ensure your store runs smoothly. Now, let's look for the Settings section located towards the bottom of the sidebar. Click on that, and a new page will open up with various options. Our focus today is on policies, so find and select Policies. This is where the magic happens. Your store policies are crucial as they set clear expectations for your customers, reducing the likelihood of disputes and misunderstandings. Once you're on the Policies page, you'll see different policy categories like return and refund policies, privacy policies, and shipping policies. For today, we're specifically interested in setting up a strong shipping policy. Begin by clicking on the section that mentions Return and Refund Policy. Although it seems unrelated, this step is critical for understanding how different policies intertwine. Having clear return and refund policies can, in turn, influence your shipping policy significantly. Following this, you'll need to head over to the Privacy Policy section. Here you'll find the option to Use Automated Policy. Clicking on this will allow Shopify to help generate a foundational policy for you. This feature is particularly beneficial if you're new to e-commerce or if you want to ensure your policies meet industry standards without starting from scratch. Remember, while Shopify provides a great starting point, it's wise to tailor these automated policies to fit the unique needs and nuances of your specific store operations. The next step is to navigate to the Terms of Service. Like the privacy policy, having robust terms of service is beneficial for your overall shop setup. This step is essential because it helps customers understand the rules of using your site, purchasing products, and how you handle their data. Finally, after completing these sections, revisit your shipping policy to ensure it aligns with the other policies you've just set. It's important to maintain consistency across all your store policies to foster trust and transparency with your customers. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough to effectively set up your Shopify shipping policy in 5 minutes. By ensuring clear and consistent policies, you're setting your store up for better customer engagement and satisfaction. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to ensure every update reflects the latest requirements and customer feedback for a well-rounded shopping experience.